Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Ford Escape can take you to some fun places like camping, kayaking, trail bike riding. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer to just about anywhere in North America. Come on, let's go ahead and get the vehicle prepped up for this hitch install.
You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
Looking under the vehicle, the hitch is going to mount to the driver's side frame. We've got the inside of the frame hole attachment point there and right here, and one underneath here. And it will be the same thing on the passenger side. So we're gonna go ahead and, it looks like nothing's in our way, so we're gonna go ahead and just put the hitch right up and get right on it. Today I'll be using a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack to raise the hitch into position. If you don't have a hitch jack, you're gonna need a set of hands. The hitch is a little bit heavy. Now that we have the hitch in place, we need to get our hardware inside the frame and out through the hitch attachment points. Our hardware is going to be a 1/2-inch carriage bolt and a 1/2-inch carriage plate. You can see the square hole in the plate where the bolt will seat. To do that, we're going to use pull wire provided by the hitch manufacturer. Basically, to do that, we're going to push it through the attachment hole and then come out through an access hole on the bottom of the frame, and then we'll attach our hardware. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now that we've got our pull wire through the attachment point on the hitch and through our access hole, we're going to go ahead and put our hardware together, screw it onto the pull wire. Okay, now we can just feed it through into the frame. To make it easier, I'm going to separate the plate from the bolt and push the plate up in first. Now I can just pull the bolt through. Okay, now we're just going to pull the wire and our bolt comes right out just like that. We can go ahead and unscrew the pull wire there. And now we'll take our conical teeth washer. You can see it's got teeth on the washer on one side of the washer. Those teeth will be contacting the hitch itself, so we'll turn it in. And we'll take our provided nut, screw that on. And we'll go ahead and do the remaining 5 carriage bolts and plates just like we did on this first one here. Now that we have all of our hardware through the frame and through our hitch attachment points, we're going to go ahead and take our hitch jack out, and then we'll get the torque wrench and torque them down. The hitch manufacturer calls for the 7/16 carriage bolts to be torqued down to 50 foot-pounds. This is your typical torque wrench here. We're setting it for 50 foot-pounds. And as you tighten it down, depending on the torque wrench that you're using, it'll either give you a pop sound, a snap sound, or a beep noise. This torque wrench here is gonna give us a popping noise. We're using an 18mm socket to tighten down all these nuts. There it is. There's our pop. Putting on a 5-inch extension, that way I can get my torque wrench below the hitch here. There it is. One more time. Now we'll go ahead and move over to the passenger side. Okay, now the last bolt on the bottom of the frame here, you're gonna see is right above the exhaust. I'm not able to get my torque wrench in here, so I'm gonna lower the exhaust by removing this exhaust hanger bracket right here. That'll allow it to drop down a few more inches so I can get my torque wrench in there. I'm also going to take some handy exhaust pliers and there we go. Okay, now that I've got enough room to get my exhaust or my torque wrench in there, go ahead and torque the last bolt down. Okay, now that we've got all 6 bolts torqued down, I'll get the exhaust back up. Just raise it up and slide it right back over to the exhaust hanger post. And that's it. Let's take a look at our hitch here. You can see that we have a nice round tube stylish design on our hitch. We've got a 2-inch receiver here. And we have large safety chain loops on the sides of on the sides of the receiver here. This hitch has a label here that has our weight capacities. We are looking at 4,500 pounds max trailer weight, 675 pounds mass gross tongue weight. And that's what's going to be the weight that is directly in front of your receiver tube here. And that's going to be it for our hitch video. Thanks for watching. Have fun, be safe, and get outdoors.
To learn more about the product seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.